I think there's a lot of different ways to think about value, and I guess I should back up one step. Everything you try to sell, every opportunity you're addressing, you really need to have a compelling value proposition. So in figuring out how to develop a value proposition, I like to think of things I like to make quadrants in a diagram. So if you think of a graph with a vertical axis is how many people are going to receive value from what I'm selling. So at the bottom it's one individual, and at the top it's infinity, or it's everybody in the corporation. And then on the horizontal axis is how long does that value last. So at the left-hand side, it's a one-time shot of value, and at the other extreme, it's value that just persists for years and years and years and years. And you can divide things up into 4 blocks. I could sell something call it personal value. Okay, it's a one-time shot of value that's delivered to one person. Okay, and you can sell that. I mean, there's a lot of folks in business that's what they sell. It's a one-time transaction to one person. I'm going to have an approach to coming up with my value proposition if it's personal value. I could have pervasive value. You can hear the P's coming through now. Pervasive meaning, yeah, it's still a one-time shot of value, but now I've moved up in the diagram, and instead of affecting just one person, it's having a positive impact on 10 or 15 or 20 or 30 different people. Different kind of spin on my value proposition. Now I've got to talk to more different people. Or I can move out down on the bottom, further out to the right on the diagram, just impacting one person, but for a very long period of time. So I've got permanent value. Yeah, it's only going to help you, but boy, it's going to help you for the next 10 years. Again, another different way to think about the value proposition. And then, the Holy Grail, call it persistent value, up in the top right corner of that diagram. Not only am I delivering value to just about everybody in the corporation, but I'm delivering value that's going to last for 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 different years. So I guess to sum all that up, you've got to have a compelling value proposition. Very easy to say, very difficult to do. And I've just found that 4-block diagram helps me to get into the right mode of thought to figure out, gee, what is my compelling value proposition in terms of those 4 P's.